Welcome, Aeon Study Circle. Success on your fingertip. നിങ്ങൾ സൂര്യനെ പോലെ തിളങ്ങണമെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം സൂര്യനെ പോലെ എരിയണം. Civil Service Examination and Kerala Administrative Service Model Film Test Series 2020 Dakshata 2020. Test number 5, date 10th May 2020. Model test for current affairs, August 2019. First question. Consider the following statement about the Central Bureau of Investigation. First statement. It was established on the recommendation of the Santhanam Committee on the Prevention of Corruption. Second statement. CBI derived all the powers from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 or 2. We check the answer. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, is the primary investigation police agency in India. It functions under the superintendence of the Department of the Personnel, Ministry of Personnel, Pension and Public Grievance, Government of India, which falls under the Prime Minister's office. However, for investigation of offence under the Prevention of Corruption Act, its superintendence rests with the Central Vigilance Commission. It is also the nodal police agency in India, which coordinates investigation on behalf of Interpol members countries. Its conviction rate is as high as 65 to 70%, and it is comparable to best investigation agencies in the world. During the period of World War II, a special police establishment was constituted in the 1941 in the Department of Field of the British India to inquire into allegation of bribery and corruption in the war-related procurements. Later on, it was formalized as an agency of Government of India to investigate into allegation of corruption in various wings of the Government of India by enacting the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. CBI derived powers to investigate from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. In 1963, the CBI was established by the Government of India with the view of investigation serious crimes related to defense of India, crimes in high places, serious fraud, cheating and embezzlement and social crime, particularly of hoarding, black marketing and profiteering in the essential commodities, having all India and interstate ramifications. Cases of handled by the CBI. Anti-corruption crime case for investigation of cases under the Prevention of Corruption Act against public official and the employees of central government, public servant sector employees, corporations or bodies owned by the controlled by the Government of India. Economic crimes for investigation of major financial scam and serious economic fraud, including crimes related to fake India currency note, bank fraud and cyber crimes, bank fraud, export and foreign exchange violation, large schemes of smuggling of narcotics, antiques, cultural property and smuggling for others contribution item, etc. Special crime for investigation of serious and organized crime under the Indian Penal Code and other laws on the request of state government or the order of the Supreme Court and High Court, such as cases of terrorism, bomb blast, kidnapping for ransom, and the crime committed by the mafia and the underworld. Sumoto cases. CBI can sumoto cases take up an investigation of offence only the union territories. The central government can authorities CBI to investigate a crime in the state, but only with the consent of the concerned state government. The Supreme Court and High Courts, however, can order CBI to investigate a crime anywhere in the country without the consent of the state. The answer is, first question answer is A, CBI. Second question, in the content of International Court of Justice, consider the following statement. First statement, it settled despite with or submitted to it by the state and give advisory opinion on legal questions referred to it by the authorized United Nations organs and agencies. Second statement, its judges are elected from the 5 permanent members nation of UNSC only. Which of the statement given above is correct? A, 1 only, 2, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 or 2. We check the answer. International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice was established in 1945 by the United Nations Charter and started working in April 1946. It is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, situated at the Peace Palace in the Hague, Netherlands. Unlike the 6th principal organ of the United Nations, it is the only one not located in New York. It settles legal dispute between the state and gives advisory opinion in accordance with the international laws on legal questions referred by the authorized United Nations organization and specialized agencies. It has 193 state parties and current president in Ronnie Abraham. Article 33 of the United Nations Charter, it listed the negotiation, inquiry, mediation, etc. method for the pacific settlement of dispute between states. Some of these methods involved the series of third parties. Historically, mediation and arbitration preceded judicial judgment. The former was known in the ancient India and Islamic world, while list numerous examples of later can found in ancient Greece. In China, among the Arabian tribes, in maritime customary laws, in medieval Europe, and in the papal practice. The modern history of international arbitration. The first phase is generally recognized as dating back from the so-called Jay Treaty of 1794 between the United States of America and Great Britain. The Alabama claims arbitration in 1872 between the United Kingdom and the United States marked the state of second, even more decisive phase. The Hague Peace Conference of 1899, convened on the initiative of the Russian Tsar Nicholas II, marked the beginning of third phase of the modern history of international arbitration. Structure of IJC. The court is comprised of 15 judges who are elected for the term of office of 9 years by the United Nations General Assembly and the Security Council. This organ votes similarly by separately. In order to elect a candidate must receive an absolute majority of the votes in both bodies. In order to ensure a measure of continuity, one third of court is elected every 3 years and judges are eligible for re-election. ICJ is associated by registry, its administrative organ. Its official language are English and French. The 15 judges of court is distributed from the following region: 3 from Africa, 2 from Latin America and Caribbean, 3 from Asia, 5 from Western Europe and other states, 2 from Eastern Europe. The answer is A. Second question, answer is A. Question number 3. With reference to the convention of wetland of international importance, consider the following statement. Statement 1. It is the only global treaty to focus on single ecosystem. Second, Sundarban's wetland is the latest Ramsar site in the world, India. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 or 2. We check the answer. Ramsar Convention. It was signed in 1971 in the Iranian city of Ramsar and is one of the oldest intergovernmental accord for preserving the ecological character of wetland. It is also known as the Convention of Wetlands. Its aim is to develop and maintain an international network of wetlands which are important for the conservation of global biological diversity and for sustaining human life through the maintenance of the ecosystem components, process and benefit. Wetland declares as Ramsar site are protected under strict guideline of convention. Montreux records. Montreux record under the Ramsar Convention is a register of wetland sites on the list of wetland of international importance where changes in ecological character have occurred, are occurring, or are likely to occur as a result of technological development, pollution, or other human interfaces. It is maintained as a part of Ramsar list. Currently, 2 wetlands of India are Montreux records, Keodio National Park, Rajasthan, and Loktak Lake, Manipur. Chilka Lake, Odisha was placed in the record but was later removed from it. The answer is question number 3, C. This is a All India Ramsar site. Next, move fourth question. Question number 4. Consider the following statement about the Palavarnam project. Statement 1. It has been accorded the status of national project and will be last to be accorded that. Second statement. It is being constructed in Karnataka on the river Godavari. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Because A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 or 2. We check the answer. Palavaram project. It is a multi-purpose irrigation project. The dam across the Godavari river is under construction located in West Godavari district and East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh state, and its reservoir spread in part of Chhattisgarh and Odisha state also. The project is multi-purpose major thermal reservation project on river Godavari for development of irrigation, hydropower and drinking water facility to East Godavari, Visakhapatnam, West Godavari and Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. The Palavaram project was accorded national status in 2014 in the Andhra Pradesh Bifurcation Act and its design was changed. Therefore, question number 4 answer is A. This is the Palavaram project, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, near the Vijayawada and Kakinada. Question number 5. Which reference to the status of tigers in India? Consider the following statement. First statement. Karnataka has the highest number of tigers as well as a tiger reserve in country. Second statement. Tigers population has almost doubled compared to the first tiger census in 2006. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 or 2. We check the answer. All India Tiger Estimation 2018 on the occasion Global Tiger Day 2019 According to the result, the tiger census, the total count of the tiger has risen to 2,967 from 2,226 in 2014, an increase of 741 individuals or 33% in 4 years. India has achieved a target of doubling the tiger count 4 years ahead of the deadline of 2022. This is by far the biggest increase the tiger count in the term of both numbers and percentage. Need for tiger conservation. Tigers are at the top of the food chain and are sometimes referred to an umbrella species, that is, their conservation also conserves many other species in the same area. The tiger estimation exercise that include habitat assessment and prey estimation reflect to success or failure of tiger conservation effort. More than 80% of world wild tigers are in India, and it's crucial to keep the track of their numbers. Tigers in India. India accounts for majority of 3,500 odd tigers that are scattered among the Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, China, Indonesia, Nepal, PDR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Nepal, Russian Federation, Thailand and Vietnam. India's 5 tiger landscape are Shivalik Hills and the Gangetic Plain, Central India landscape and Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat, Northeast Hills and Brahmaputra Plain and Sundarbans. Tiger sanctuaries. An elevation of India's 50 tiger sanctuaries was also released along with the 4th National Tiger Estimation. Madhya Pradesh Pench Sanctuary and Kerala Periyar Sanctuary emerged as the best managed tiger reserve in the country. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu registered the maximum improvement since 2014. The Damba as Rajaji reservoirs in Mizoram and Uttarakhand respectively are at the bottom of the list in the term of tiger count. No tiger has been found in the Buxa, West Bengal, Palamu, Jharkhand and Damba, Mizoram reservoirs. Global Tiger Day. Global Tiger Day was observed for the first time in 2010 at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia, when all 13 tiger range countries came together for the first time, which is a commitment of doubling in the numbers of wild tigers by 2022. It is celebrated annually on July 29th. Globally, Tiger Recovery Plan, which outline how each country can contribute to ambitious global goal known as TX2. Therefore, question number 5, answer is B. Thank you. Think before you speak, read before you think. Prepared with Jay Kuttanas, Aeon Study Circle. If you join our study group, all social media, Facebook Aeon Study Circle, WhatsApp 9846024053, Telegram Aeon Study Circle. Thank you.